everyone. Today we start with the steps to manifest your desire. So let's start it. Welcome back to the Mindful Path. I am Vaidehi Shukla, your guide on this journey of the self-discover and the empowerment. Today we are divinely deep into the topic that can transform your life, manifestation. This is one of my favorite topic is the manifestation. Specifically, we will explore the 5 powerful steps to manifest your desire and turn your dream into reality. Whether it's new job, healthier lifestyle, new business, better relationship, these steps can help you to align your thoughts, action to attract what you are truly want. So grab a notebook and let's get started. So let's start with the first step. Clarify your desire. The first step in the manifestation your desire is to clarify what you really want. It's essential to be specific about your desire. Ask yourself, what do really want? I give you the few examples. If you want a new job, what kind of job? What is the work environment do you like? Second example, if you are seeking the better health, what does that looks like for you? If you desire the strong relationship, think about the quality you value in those connections in partner. Take a few moments and write down your desire in much detail as you possible. The clearer you are, the easier it for the visualization and attract them. Don't be afraid to dream big. Remember, your desires are valid and clearly to the first step towards the manifestation. Step number 2 is visualize your success. So now that you are clarified your desire, the second step is to visualize your success. Visualization is the powerful tool that helps you create a mental image of your goal. Find a quiet place, close your eye and picture yourself living your desired reality. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, feel, smell it? Image the emotion you would experience once your desire is fulfilled. For example, I visualized my journey as a life coach. I future myself speaking to group, helping the individual unlock their potential. This visualization become a guiding the light in my journey. Consider the creating the vision board. Use the image, symbol that resonated with your desire. Place in somewhere that you will see daily as a consistent remind you what you are working towards. The vision board is one of the main tools to help you for the visualization. The third step, take inspired action. Take the inspired action toward the manifestation. Manifestation is not about thinking positively, it requires the action. Inspired action is when you feel the motivated and excited to take the steps toward your goals. It's about following your intuition and responding to the opportunity that align with your desire. For example, if you're looking for a new job, start update your resume, network with the other in your field, enroll for the new course, enhance your skill. Each small steps counts. Create a list of the action steps you can take this week. Focus on one actions daily that bring you to closer to and the more closer to your desire. Remember, consistency effort leads to significant progress. Step number 4. Gratitude is the powerful manifestation tool that shift your energy and open the doors for the abundance. When you focus on what you are grateful for, you raise your vibration and attract more positivity in your life. I give you the example for the gratitude practice. Keep gratitude. How to do? Keep gratitude journal where you write down 3 things you are grateful for each day. Take a moment before bed to reflect on the positive aspect of your day, no matter how it's small. I remember a time I was feeling stuck. I started a daily gratitude practice and it transformed my outlook. Suddenly, I began to notice the opportunity I had overlooked before. Incorporate gratitude in your daily routine. The more you express the gratitude, the more you attract the things to be the grateful. 5th steps. Trust the process. The final step is to trust the process and trust the coach. Manifestation takes time. It's essential to remain patient and trust the universe is working in your favor. Avoid the temptation to rush the process or doubt your ability. Instead, focus on your effort and let go of the needs to control the outcome. Believe that what you deserve is on a way. Your commitment and the positive energy will attract your dream. Whether doubts arise, remind yourself of the past success. Reflect on time when you achieved something you once thought was impossible. Trust that you can do it again. You can do it again. Now you know these 5 steps to manifest your desire. Clarify your desire, visualization your success, take inspired action, practice gratitude and trust the process, trust the coach, trust the universe. It's time to put them into the practice. Remember, manifestation is a journey, not a destination. Stay consistent, be patient with yourself and enjoy the process of bringing your dream to life. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up and subscribe it, The Mindful Path, and share your manifestation journey in the comment below. I would like to hear about your experience. Until the next time, keep manifesting your desire and living your best life.